I'm Joseph Kituma. I do live here with my family. My wife Miriam and 2 kids. We also have our mother and our grandmother. The M-KOPA Fridge is really helped me to save a lot of money. Actually, I'm able to save 150 shillings a day. These savings are very important to my family. Now, this month that I'm saving, I'm intending to buy a water tank.
To go to the main market, we have to take for about 1 hour to go and shop and another hour to come back. When I didn't have the fridge, I used to go to the market twice a day. But when I got it, now I used to go there once. It saves my time, my money. The time now I use my time, or I spend my time with my kids, helping them to do their homeworks, playing with them, resting with them. It makes me happy being with my children.
Kabla tupata fridge, mama alikuwa anachukua muda mrefu kutayarisha chakula. Sasa ni mama ananisaidia kufanya homework.
I will be able actually to finance for their education. I wish they could become engineers, lawyers, pilots,